So friends, many people who live in joint family, especially the females, they ask me this question that Nipun, why my mother-in-law is all the time controlling and complaining. Some people also say that I do not get along very well with my father-in-law. So now comes the question that what all are the planetary alignments in the chart which give answer to that. So guys, many astrologers say that you have to look at the relationship with the in-laws from the 4th house and the 9th house, which I do not hold very true. I personally feel that if 7th house is the house of your partner, your partner's mother, so 4th from the 7th will be your 10th house, and your father-in-law, like your spouse's father, so 9th from the 7th, that will happen to be the 3rd house. So I personally feel that if you have to see the state of your mother-in-law or father-in-law, you have to look at the 10th house of your chart and the 3rd house of your chart, and in general the house which represents the relationship with the in-laws in general, that is always the 8th house. You will be surprised, the planet which governs your relationship with the in-laws, in total the in-laws are being governed by the planet Rahu. That is the only reason, like in the older times in the Lal Kitab, someone who has any issue with the in-laws, astrologers used to recommend that do not take any electronic item as a gift from your in-laws, otherwise your relationship will get disturbed. But guys, in general, the strength and dignity of the 8th house tells about the nature, temperament, or the treatment of your in-laws towards you. I've seen like in some of the charts where people have planets like Mars and Saturn in the 8th house, and those girls who have Mars and Saturn in the 8th house, they get married to a family where their father-in-law was working as a lawyer, he was a former cop, and the house environment tend to remain very disciplined. So again, I want to summarize, your relationship with the in-laws in general is judged from the 8th house. Rahu plays a very significant role, and individual attitude, temperament of the father-in-law, mother-in-law, 4th from the 7th and 9th from the 7th, which means 3rd house and the 10th house, you have to give attention.